Morning, everybody. This morning we are going to run you through what we call just-in-time box sets, and that's where we assemble the box sets right in front of the shrink wrapper instead of doing them in the assembly room. And that way we don't have any of the transportation waste and none of the waiting time. The shrink wrapper that I'm going to show you in just a second is semi-automatic, so it will only feed and run when there's product placed inside of it. And that's different than our other shrink wrapper, which is a fully automatic one, and it just runs constantly. So here's just-in-time box sets. We're doing, we have these bollards, which prevent the forklift from crashing into the shrink wrapper. And this shrink wrapper, as I mentioned, is semi-automatic. So this, the seal bar will only come down when it detects product, and instead of this machine, which runs automatically. So the seal bar is timed, it's always coming down. This one's waiting to see something. So that means that we can take the box sets as they're completed and put them in the shrink wrapper. And as we know, transportation is one of the 8 deadly wastes, and this is going to stop us from having to move the box sets, which are big and bulky and heavy, from the assembly room all the way over to here on the carts. Now, because of the sheer numbers that we do when we do vinyl, it's not practical to put vinyl together here, but this with the box sets is a big time saver. So yeah. All right. So this is the table sitting right in front of the shrink wrapper, and this is Dave Matthews. This is the live box set number 5. And we have records go into each individual jacket, which is a little different than most of the box sets we do. But so we assembled those inside and then brought them out here, and they're lined up here. And we'll check back in when we actually start assembling, and we'll see what this thing hauls. So we got 4 people assembling. John and 3 on one side, Wayne and Cal on the other. Aaron and Hib are feeding. The clock is running. So instead of putting all of this stuff together in here, stacking it on bins and then taking it out, we're assembling it right in the point of wrap. And making the final adjustment of the shrink wrapper. And we'll check back in when we're feeding. So, directly from here into the shrink wrapper. 0 waiting time. No transportation. Awesome. Super lean. How they look, Michael?
Looks good.
Right in the boxes and then over to the skid wrapper, out the door.
Hey, hurry up!